sir, synopsis na possible declaration of martial law sa syudad. Would you let that happen, sir?
I think yung trend talaga nung not only in Davao City but the other places where we intended to have a rally. So, tingin ko, yung inclination talaga ng administration is it's my perspective. From my perspective, they want to replicate what the Ferdinand Marcos Sr. did. They want to maybe kasi masyadong excessive talaga yung nangyari doon sa yung Pastor Kimbolo, yung sa property niya. Tatlong region ng police came Davao City. Exaggerated talaga. I think it was meant to intimidate and so that they can do things the way they want.
Sir, yung local economy sa Davao, apektado ba, sir? Kasi Davao lagi nababanggit, minamasama masyado sa yung syudad.
Well, what can you do? Because there is a lot of disinformation in social media nowadays. No one really knows what is true, what is not true. So it's really up to the best person to ask these kinds of questions are the Davaoenos themselves, how they feel towards their city today.
Sir, yung speech nyo kanina, parang may himig ng tampo kay Senator Bongo.
Yes, totoo naman yun. Because like ikaw, you're an elected official, you're supposed to voice out what the people yung need and want, and he is in a high position. Sabi mas taas na, but like I said, he has time to redeem himself out of all yung ano yung nangyari. Because kung gusto niya pa tumakbo ng senador ulit, he should show that he is one with the Davaoenos, especially in times like this.
Sir, sa tingin nyo, iniiwan niya na ba si Tatay Digong sa ginagawa niya?
Could be possible, politics, hindi mo talaga can never guess what will happen next in politics.
Yung ganito nararamdaman nyo kay Senator Bongo, ganito rin yung pagtingin nyo sa mga iba pang DDS senators?
No, because Bong is a Davaoeno, so he claims. So, and I'm also a voter. I voted for him. So, yung sinasabi ko, not because he used to be, former secretary or chief of staff of the previous president, but it's as a voter. I am talking to him as a voter.
Categorically, sir, anong sasabihin nyo ngayon kay Senator Bongo?
Like I said, yung sinabi ko kanina, I think kailangan niya magpakita na is like should speak up to what's happening in Davao.
Last question, sir. Sa tingin nyo, nakain na rin ng bulok na sistema si Senator Bongo?
We cannot conclude. Hindi naman natin alam because maybe, like nilalaro niya lang, maybe he's afraid of something. Hindi natin masasabi. But, like I said, he has time to redeem. He can do something. Just do something. Say anything. You make a statement. Gawin mo. Kailangan, you have to stand up for what's happening to Davao, what's happening to your kasama niya sa trabaho, which is the former president. All of this is happening to them. He's in one of the highest positions in the nation. And, kung ano yung lumalabas sa bibig niya will be of significance to current situation.
Mayor
Thank you.
VP, VP Sara recently declared na wala ng unity in between Marcos and Duterte. Are you happy about her declaration? As the
I'm neither happy nor sad. It's just maybe technically the unity was used as a vessel during the elections. It was never really intended, maybe, because even the president does not mention it right now, nowadays. So I do not know. It's a political tool.
So, suspendihon daw ka as mayor?
I do not know. It doesn't bother me actually. I wouldn't be surprised when everybody has been suspended already.